Okay, there she is with the new wheels. What do you think, guys? Just comment in the comments if you like them, or if you don't, it's okay. Just excuse the car being filthy. I think we're having this hot weather, it's making it very sandy. Anyway, there's the wheels on the car. Here's the back. Back wheels, obviously they're the same all the way around, but I think it looks really good. It's got like a meaner look, a bit beastie. Seems to be lower, but maybe just me. But you can see from, can't see, but you know, it's quite flush with the bodywork, the arches. Whereas before, the wheels were going in a little bit, but that's how she looks. People have been saying, you know, can we see the V8 engine, because I keep saying it's a V8, but you can't tell from the outside because it's all been debadged. So I thought I'll show you what the engine looks like for those who inquired. I don't know if you can see, it's a very bright day today. Well, there's the engine. 4.2 V8. Okay, there you go. I'm showing you the engine now. Okay. Okay. Hope you liked it. Bye for now. Take care.